Had some stability and was panning out.
Where's the follow flight button?
What's up, guys? How we doing?
Hi. Hey.
So we have two sets of prototypes that Tina is going to be testing out today. Still have some time off for my elbow, just giving it a little bit more. But the two prototypes we have are the Emac Judge, which is a micro bead judge that should land kind of right in between a deputy and a warden or a judge. So
So it's every putter we have.
pretty much, yeah.
Put into one.
Everything, just slam it all together.
It's got like a pretty low profile, kind of like a deputy, maybe a little bit deeper than a deputy.
Yeah.
But it has a similar feel to me, which I love. I'm a team deputy / team warden.
So it shouldn't turn as much. It should just be more like, I feel like dead straight, maybe have a little bit of fade, like the judge having the bead to keep it nice and straight and online. That is classic blend plastic too, which you do
Which
like.
I love, yeah.
So it should be really nice. Snappy.
Uh-huh.
Nice, it panned out.
Pretty straight. I can't really get over on it. I have to throw it pretty flat or kind of on a hyzer a little bit.
Like dead straight.
So straight. Like,
That's really nice.
kind of holding that hyzer the whole way, but traveling dead straight.
Well, like,
It feels great though.
I think like the way this complements is like where your deputy would have like from a hyzer or flat would have gone quite a bit right, even brand new. Where this was just on the line.
Yep.
It didn't even like the lateral movement was so minor, so it's really point and shoot. It's
Yep.
pretty cool. A very light fade.
Oh, it came out a little early, but
Yeah, it's not bad. First impressions from what I've seen, like seeing Tina throw a bunch, like you have super neutral in that Emac Judge, which point and shoot, probably going to be really good on the approach.
stay tuned. Maybe next month Eric will hopefully be out throwing again, and we'll do this video all over again with Eric's throwing and his extra speed that I don't have.
So I have the Emac Judge here. I'm going to give this a test. From what I understand, it's a very neutral thrower. And also very easy on the green. Good glide, similar to the Judge and the Warden, but I'm excited to see it hold the line. Emac Judge, just like I thought it would be. Super neutral, great thrower, incredible glide. Kind of holds whatever line you put it on. So if you're looking for a great disc off the tee or on the green, take a run with the Emac Judge. I'm gonna stay on team Warden for now, but definitely go support Eric and get everything going that into this. Thank you guys. Great man, fans.